you craving? Craving a life of joy, joy and amazing health, and you just can't figure out how to get there? Well, I want to help you. Today, I'm going to give you a simple meditation that you can practice several times a day. It's going to help you release stress, restore harmony to every single cell in your body. I'm Kathryn. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I'm here to help you make the rest of your life the best of your life. So let's get started with the meditation. But before we do, if you like this and you want more of it, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll send you all kinds of exercises that you can do to feel better in your body. So take a deep breath in. Take it through your nose. Let's get started. And when you do this, visualize the feeling of joy. Maybe you had it when you were a little kid. Mine was from swinging on swings. So I remember that when I do this. And then on your out breath, breathe out and let go of any tension you're holding. So breathe in and out. Repeat this for 1 minute. Let's try it now. Breathe in joy. Breathe out tension. Let's do it again. Feel the joy. Breathe out the tension. Relax your shoulders. Breathe in. Get high on oxygen and breathe out. Super simple. One more time. Breathe in joy. Breathe out tension. I hope you love this as much as I do. And don't forget to subscribe, because I want to help you thrive. Let's do this together. I will see you soon.